teacher. This is me again. And this is my family. This is my mother. Her job is online class like you.
And what else? Only that?
And she sweeps the floor and sometimes makes the bed.
Am I only an online teacher?
And a regular school teacher. Moving on. This is my grandma. Hi. This is my grandma. Her job is sweeping the floor and washing dishes, laundry, and making dinner, breakfast, and lunch. And this is my Tita Dinah. Her work is to study and sometimes will cook and laundry and washing dishes. And this is my papa. His job is everything. And my Tito Patrick's housework is washing the dishes, laundry, and sweeping the floor and making lunch, dinner, and breakfast.
Dalo.
My grandpa's housework is to make plants and
Make plants. Can you make plants?
yes.
Plant. And? That's okay. And?
And my Tito August's housework, my Tito August's housework is accountant.
Housework.
Work is accountant. And Miggy Boy sleeps, runs around, and
Who's Miggy Boy?
naughty. That's all he does.
Just like Janelle. Play, and eat.
Naughty.
Naughty. Say bye-bye.
My housework is to sweep the floor sometimes. Remember, ka?
Sweep the floor and...
Bye-bye.